welcome to US Stock Insights. If you've ever found yourself closing a trade too early, watching the price soar after you've taken your profit, wondering why can't I ever hold my winners, then this video is exactly what you need. This is for every trader who wants to master the art of holding profits, who's tired of choppy emotions, and who's finally ready to understand the truth behind day trading for beginners. Because here's the secret most people never tell you. Winning in trading isn't just about finding good entries, it's about mastering yourself. Everyday trader starts the same way, excited, hopeful, and ready to conquer the market. You learn how to day trade, you study charts, you follow indicators. You think, once I know enough, I'll be consistent. But soon you realize, knowledge alone doesn't make you profitable. You can master how to trade stocks or how to trade crypto or even how to trade forex, but no matter the market, the biggest enemy is always inside your own mind. You feel your heart race when a trade moves in your favor. You see the profit ticking up, $500, $1,000, $3,000.
Take it now, don't lose it.
So, you close the trade, you lock in a small profit, and moments later, the chart explodes in your original direction. That moment hurts more than any loss. You did everything right, except for one thing. You couldn't hold your profit. This is the hidden pain every trader feels. It's not greed, it's fear. Fear of giving back what you've already earned. Let's be real. Day trading is emotional warfare. It's not just day trading crypto or day trading forex or day trading stocks. It's managing your heart rate, your breath, your fight or flight response. The problem starts when your brain mistakes floating profit for money you already own. Your subconscious says, that's mine now. So any red candle feels like losing something real, even when the trade is still valid. This is why so many people close early. Here's the truth. Most traders fail, not because they lose too often, but because they win too small. They cut their profits short and let their losses run long. It's completely backward. And the irony? When it's time to be greedy, to let your winners run, fear takes over. When it's time to be fearful, to cut your losers, hope clouds your judgment. This is the emotional paradox of trading. Even though Warren Buffett is an investor, not a trader, his words still ring true for everyone in the markets. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Let's talk numbers. Every trade you take has a risk-to-reward ratio, or RR. If your RR is less than 1.1, even with a 50% win rate, you'll lose money over time. When you take profits too early, you're killing your reward side of the equation. You may have risked $100 to make $300. But if you close early at $50, your RR becomes 0.5. Do that often enough, and even with more winning trades than losing ones, you'll still bleed your account slowly. That's why chot loi non, closing profits too soon, isn't just emotional, it's mathematical self-sabotage. The first level of premature profit-taking is when your RR is below 1.1. The next level is when your RR is slightly positive, maybe 1.1 or 1.2, but you close the trade before your target, because you kept watching the chart too closely. Every candle movement triggers emotion, every small pullback feels like danger, and soon, you're out. Too early again. To fix this, you need to train your emotional muscle to tolerate the fear of losing paper profits. So how do you hold your profits, or let your winners run like a professional trader? It starts with your mindset, not your strategy. When you're in profit, your job isn't to predict the next move. Your job is to stay calm and execute your plan. Set your stop loss to break even, or trail it gradually, then step away. You're not supposed to feel comfortable while gong lie. You're supposed to feel uncertain, and still hold. The market will always test your patience. It will give you fake pullbacks, small red candles, and hesitation, just to see if you truly deserve the bigger move. And most traders fail that test. They give in to fear. They exit too early. Then they promise, next time, I'll hold longer. But next time, the fear returns, even stronger. The solution? Train your mind by experience. Hold one trade a little longer than usual. When it retraces, don't panic. Observe how it feels. Let your nervous system get used to uncertainty. Over time, you'll start to feel calmer. You'll stop reacting emotionally. And that's when you truly evolve from beginner to professional. Most people online are searching how to day trade for beginners. They think the answer lies in finding a perfect indicator or a secret entry pattern. But trading isn't about precision. It's about emotional endurance. Anyone can learn how to trade crypto or how to trade forex in a few weeks. But learning how to sit calmly in a winning trade, that's what takes years. Professional traders don't just manage trades, they manage themselves. They master the space between action and reaction, between seeing profit and wanting to close it. Remember this, the market rewards patience and punishes impulse. If you can stay still while others panic, you'll make money while others lose it.
Let me tell you a story. It was a perfect setup. Clean structure, strong volume, everything lined up. I entered long on US 100. Within an hour, the trade was up $4,000. My heart started racing. I told myself, maybe I should just close it. Profit is profit. But then I stopped. I thought about all the times I'd done that before, all the times I'd robbed myself of the real move. So I took a deep breath and held on. The price pulled back, almost hit break even. My heart pounded again. But I didn't move. An hour later, it exploded upward. My $4,000 profit turned into $12,000. That day, I didn't just win a trade, I won against myself. That's when I understood, trading isn't about the charts, it's about your mind.
Here's what every trader must learn: fear, not greed. Most traders don't fail because they want too much. They fail because they're afraid to lose what they've gained. Holding profits requires inner strength. The more you expose yourself to the discomfort of uncertainty, the easier it becomes to stay calm in profitable trades. You can't master trading until you master emotion. Day trading, swing trading, investing, it all comes down to psychology. Stop searching for perfect signals. The signal's already inside you. It's your ability to stay patient when your brain screams to act. You can know every technical setup in the world. You can master every pattern, every indicator. But until you learn to gong la, to hold your winners calmly, you'll always stay one step away from true success. If this message resonated with you, remember, you're not alone. Every trader has faced this battle. The difference is, some give in to fear, others learn to rise above it. This is US Stock Insights, reminding you that the real market isn't out there, it's in here. Train your mind, and the profits will follow.